April dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you'll have to go to your Instagram app, go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this Instagram profile, you will have to go to the highlights, go to April dump, and tap until you find your desired sticker. So there we have it. Now click on the add yours button. Then you can have this button right here, which is layout. Click on that. And then you can choose another style by clicking here. I will go with this one. And then you will have to add your first photo by clicking on this plus icon. Once you click it, it will get you to your gallery. So I chose my first photo. Then you can place it where you want. Then to add your second photo, you have to click again on this plus icon. Then click on the button from the bottom of the screen. And now you just have to share this story with your friends by clicking on this button right here. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.